something special for all the mothers. Today, we're gonna make pretzel flowers. Make the pretzel flowers, you need a pretzel stick, you need a straw, you need a pretzel covered in vanilla, and then you need some colorful candy, and then you need chocolate pretzel, and then you need some melted chocolate. Are you ready? First, we're gonna take some melted chocolate, and then you're gonna put the chocolate down like this. It's gonna make a circle. You have to make a circle. And then you're gonna take some vanilla pretzels, and then you're gonna just take the tip of it and then squish it down. And then you're gonna take a colorful chocolate and then just put some chocolate on it if it's not too chocolatey. If it is, then you can just put it right on the top. Next, you're gonna take a chocolate one, you have to put the chocolate, and then we're gonna do the chocolate pretzel this time. And then you're gonna take another color candy, and then you're just gonna put some, and then just dip it down. Now we're gonna put this into the fridge for 5 to 10 minutes. Our flowers are ready. Let's flip them. And then we're gonna add some chocolate to the stick and to the straw, and then you just joint them like this. So what you have to do is you just take some chocolate and then just drizzle it kind of on. And then you can just stick it on the back. And then do the same thing for the other one. And then stick it onto the back. Our flowers are ready for Mother's Day. It's so yummy. Please like and subscribe. I hope you liked my channel.